In the zone with the Mower XML03 from Makita.
Oh yeah, it's summertime and that means I pull the trigger for another lawnmower. So is it better, faster, more efficient? Well, for that money it should be, right? Let's find out. So in this video we're gonna eyeball the energy mode switch. Let's check the noise at 12 feet away. And right next to it. That looks pretty solid to me, bro. And according to the internet, this is the quietest mower you can get for the money. Coming up, we're gonna take a the runtime of this bad boy. So stay tuned for another epic episode.